Imagine an AI that can become anything, just like a chameleon. This is the new ChatGPT Images update, and it's insane. In seconds, it can transform one idea into multiple styles, from a realistic photo to a cartoon to a cinematic scene. Just like a chameleon changes colors based on its environment, this AI adapts to your imagination. You can turn a simple prompt into a magazine cover, a movie scene, or even a futuristic design concept. And the craziest part? It understands context, not just commands. That means better details, better creativity, and way more control than before. This isn't just image generation. This is visual intelligence.